Hello everyone. Yesterday I have started the topic ratio and I have chosen exercise 9A of your book 7th edition D Maths. And I have told you about ratio, that ratio is simply comparison of two or more quantities of the same kind. Mean all the quantities should have same units. If their units are not same, you have to make them same before simplification. Is it clear? So I have chosen question number 1, part number D of your exercise 9A. You can see that 580 milliliter, ratio 1.12 liter, ratio 104 milliliter. Now you can see first and third are expressed in the same unit, that is milliliter, but the second is in liter. So you have to change this liter into milliliter. It's more convenient that you have to convert the bigger unit into smaller unit because it will be more easy for you. So you have to change bigger unit into smaller unit for your convenience. Okay. Now you can see 580 milliliter, ratio 1.12 liter. 1 liter contains 1000 milliliter. So you will put 1000 in place of liter. Ratio 104 milliliter. Now all your quantities are in same units. 580 ratio 1.12. Okay, now you can see it is 1.12 is being multiplied with 1000. I have told you a shortcut method of multiplication, that you will count the number of 0. There are 3 0. It means point will move 3 digit forward. 1. This point will move 3 digit forward. Count from here. 1, 2. And third digit is missing. So you will put 0 in place of third digit. 1. This point will move 1. Point was here, so count 1, 2, third digit is missing, you will put 0. Point, now point is at the end. At the end mean point is removed now. It is clear? So when you will multiply 1.12 with 1000, you will get 1120. Ratio 104 milliliter. As all the units are same, now you can convert them on the you will simplify them by cutting on the same table. As you can see, the units place at ones place 0, 0 and 4. All the numbers are divisible by 2. So you will cut it on table of 2. 2 2 time 4, 5 minus 4 1, 18, 2 9s are 18, 0. Ratio 2 5 time 10, 11 minus 10 1. Now it is 12. 2 6 are 12, 0. 560. Ratio 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. Okay, again these three numbers are divisible by 2. 2 1 time 2, 2 4 time 8, 9 minus 8 1. Now it is 10. 2 5 time 10. 2 2 time 4. 5 minus 4 1. Now it is 16. 2 8 time 16 and 0. Ratio 2 2 time 4. 5 minus 4 1. Now it is 12. 2 6 time 12. Is it clear? Okay. Now again on which table? This is an even number. These two numbers are divisible by 2, but 145 is not divisible on 2. Similarly, 145 and 280 are divisible on 5, but 26 is not divisible on 5. Right? So if there is no more common factor, you will stop your simplification over here. Is it clear? So the simplified answer is 145 ratio 280 ratio 26. Is it clear? And question number 9, exercise 9A, question number 9 and part number E. This is part number E. Now you can see 1.2. I have told you that you have to remove the decimal. How we remove decimal? We will put 1 under the point was here. I will put 1 under the point, and after the decimal there is 1 digit. So 10. Right? So ratio This is a mixed number. You will convert it into fraction. 10 3 times 30. 30 plus 3, 33. This is 33 by 10 ratio 5.5. By removing decimal, I will get 55 by 10. Point was here. Under the point, you will write 1 and there is 1 digit after the decimal. So this is 10 at the bottom. Now it is in form of fraction, and I have told you that when the numbers are in form of fraction, you will take the LCM of the denominators. As LCM of the denominator is 10. So you will multiply each fraction by 10. You will multiply each fraction by 10. 55 by 10 into 10. Now you can see 10 ones are 10, 10 ones are 10, cancel this 10 and this 10. 10 1 time 10, 10 1 time 10. And you have left 12 ratio 33 ratio 55. Is it clear? Now 33 and 55 are divisible on table of 11, but 12 doesn't come on the table of 11. So further simplification is not possible. You will stop your simplification over here. Is it clear? And one more question for your convenience. You can see 4 whole 1 by 5 kg ratio 630 gram. Now again you can see that units are not same. So you will make them same first. Okay, these are mixed number and you will convert them in form of fraction. 5 4 times 20, 20 plus 1, 4 5 times 20 and 20 plus 1, 21. 21 by 5 kg. Ratio 630 gram. Now kg. You will convert kg into gram. How? 1 kg can contain 1000 gram. Right? Ratio 630. Now you can see 5 1 time 5. 5 2 times 10 and 0 0. 200 into 21. You will multiply 200, 21 2 time. Yes, this is 42. 21 2 times 42 and there are 2 0, 4200. Ratio 630. Now you can see 1 0 with 1 0. Cut and you have left 420 ratio 63. Right? On table of 3, 3 2 times 6, 3 1 time 3, 3 1 time 3, 4 12 3 4s. Yes, on table of 3. On table of 3, 3 1 time 3, 4 minus 3 1. Now it is 12, 3 4 time 12 and 0 as it is. 3 2 times 6, 3 1 time 3. Now I think on table of 7. Yes, both number are divisible on table of 7. 7 2 times 14, 0, 7 3 times 21. Further simplification is not possible. Your answer is 20 ratio 3. Is it clear? So I hope after watching these questions, now your home task is you have to complete question number 1 and 9 of exercise 9A of your book 7th edition D Maths.